chapter 4 test in your textbook, number 5. It says determine the number of solutions for the trig equation sine theta times sine theta plus 1. So probably what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to use the zero product principle, and you probably get an idea of what kind of solutions you're looking at. So for example, where does sine theta equal 0? At what theta? And again, we are looking at the unit circle all the way from negative 180 to 0, and then all the way through to positive 360, right? So where does sine theta equal 0? Well, those remember the quadrantal angles are 0, 90, 180, 270, and so on, and negative 90 and negative 180 in this case. We're not including negative 180 here, and we're not including 360, so we have to keep that in mind. So sine 0, sine is the second coordinate, so look at this, 1, 0. It looks like sine of theta is 0 when theta is 0. And that also makes sense because if you look at the sine graph like this, it's 0 at 0. It's also 0 at, what's this? That's 180, okay? That's also 0 at 180. Let's just see if that's true. Negative 1, 0 is the coordinate here of this one. Yep, sine is 0 again. So it looks like we've got 0 and 180 because we're not including negative 180 and we're not including positive 360. So we've got two solutions here, it looks like, for this one. Don't have to identify them, just gotta look at the solutions. Okay, what about for this one? Sine theta plus 1 equals 0. Sine theta equals negative 1. Oh, so where does sine equal negative 1? Again, you want to look at your unit circle, and this is 0, 1. That's the coordinate for this one. So here sine is positive 1 at 90. We want this one down here. That's a coordinate on the unit circle of 0, negative 1. Okay, so this is good. So it looks like we've got negative 90, right? And we've also got all the way around to positive 270. So it looks like we've got two solutions here as well to where sine is negative 1. Okay, so it looks like 4, two solutions from this factor and two solutions from this factor. Looks like 4 is your answer.